Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about FEB expert advisor, that is Forex EU Blaster, and this has been specifically created to trade Euro USD. However, we can trade other currency pairs as well, but as of now we are focusing on Euro USD itself. This is a grid trading expert advisor. But this is an advanced grid trading system, and which has many parameters to entry and exit. And we started this account on 15th of April, and today is 14th of February. That is approximately 10 months that we are completed today, and hence we are creating the video on this right now. Okay, the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 1000. However, we always suggest to trade with 1500. If you cannot afford 1500, then 1200 should be okay, but 1200 to 1500 would be ideal, just to keep your drawdown a little lower. And this is not a magic, okay, and I'm not here to show you any kind of profit, or neither I'm recommending you to trade forex. It is just that I am just showing that how this EA has been trading from last 10 months in our account. So maybe it has created some kind of drawdown as well, but yes, the EA has sustained so far. So let's start from here. We recommend 1500, but I started with 1000, and here we go. So I'm showing you everything from start, from 15th of April 2024 till 14th of February 2025. That's a good duration actually. Okay, so while I'm scrolling it a little faster, it's not faster because if I've been showing you every trade, then it might take around an hour or maybe more than that. Okay, and I want to have this video even shorter as possible while not compromising on anything, right? So I'm showing you everything, but as it is just that I'm scrolling it a little faster, but you can see each and everything from here, and it is from the same account. Generally, like, you will see the people used to show it from one account, and trading history of 3 weeks, 100% profit, 50% profit, then from other account after 1 month or something. It is from the same account irrespective of the profit. Okay, so we made 1379 out of 1000 in 10 months. Okay, so here are some running trades around 66.50, and if we see, it's Myfxbook. So here is the Myfxbook of Forex EU Blaster from April 15th till today. That is I think it has not closed any trade today, but anyways, I have just shown you, and it has been updated just 1 hour ago, right? So approximately the monthly is around 9%. The drawdown has went a little faster, like a little more, that is 44.23. But yes, I would not say that it is an excuse or something, but yes, sometimes it can happen. But however, the EA has sustained in last 10 months, and if you see the balance graph, right, so it seems that in August and November, right, these are the two things, like when I can in August and November. Let's see the drawdown graph. Yes, this is the same thing, August and November. These are the 2 months where we got around like 40% drawdown in these 2 months. Otherwise, if you see, in all other cases, the drawdown has been less than 10%, right? In less than 10%. So this is the statistics of this expert advisor Forex EU Blaster, and we are completing 10 months today, and I think that's pretty much enough. Yes, it is showing that today there is no profit, so it means that the EA has not closed any trade today. And other thing, right, so here it is showing 89. However, in the current trade it is showing 66, as you can just see. So that can vary, right? in 2024, from April till December, you can say 8.71, 9.63, 9.23, 7.25, 10.51, 8.66, 6.03, 9.32, 8.34 in December, and in January. So far, January was 9.38, and in February it's just 3.32 so far. Okay, so this is what the history of Forex EU Blaster, that is FEB EA. And in case if you have any query about this expert advisor, you can reach me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned both the details in the video description. You can reach me either by email or Telegram. Feel free to contact me, and do mention that you are talking about FEB Expert Advisor, because there are many systems that are connected to Myfxbook, and when you go to my portfolio, you will be able to see all these expert advisor links over here. Okay, so please do mention that you are talking about Forex EU Blaster. Okay, FEB EA or Forex EU Blaster, so I understand that, I can identify that you're talking about this expert advisor. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the 10 months history of Forex EU Blaster, and I think it is more than enough to continue. Maybe we will continue or we will not, but it's 10 months today, so that's a great achievement, milestone actually. I would not say achievement, because we are not just focusing on the profit, we are focusing on the consistency as well, just irrespective of these 2 months. Otherwise the drawdown was very normal, that was under 10%. But anyways, these kind of situations are very important, just to identify that whether the expert advisor was able to sustain in these kind of environment or not. And that's pretty much it, guys, and I wish you good luck, and for any query, feel free to contact me. And the weekend is here, so enjoy your time with your family. Have a great time. Thank you. Talk to you later.